Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world.
Hey Barbs, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another vlog today. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey girl. And don't forget to hit that notifications button so you know when I'm dropping another video, baby. Right now, I just finished, I don't want to say just finished doing my makeup. My makeup kinda old, like kinda oh. I just did some batch content today, like TikToks and other videos, just so I can kind of get them out the way. But hubby kind of surprised me though, y'all. He kind of surprised me. He was like, hey, you know, let's go to dinner or whatever. And I really wanted to try 945 Dallas. And I've heard really great reviews. Damn. I've heard really great reviews. So I was really interested in trying it, y'all. So long story short, I'm so excited to go. But y'all ain't got on shit. Like, I just threw this on. This is what I had on for... or it's part of what I had on for my TikTok. But long story short, I didn't even get dressed up the way I wanted to, baby. I wanted to do like, you know. But y'all, long story short, we're getting ready to hit there right now. So I will see y'all when we get there. Hey y'all, so today is Tuesday, October 5th. Me and hubby did not go to bed till super late last night. Technically this morning. Like, I didn't go to bed till like 4 something. He didn't go to bed till like 6 something because we was just up working. I had a lot of shit to do, you know. So I'm getting ready to just get these dishes out the way, y'all, because I do not like dishes in the sink, and I'm trying to practice like getting them done like that day. And not waiting a couple days, because life is just, you know, it gets hectic, you get busy, and yes, dishes can pile up in the sink, but I'm trying not to do that. So I'm getting ready to just get them in the dishwasher real quick. I gotta finish my PR packages today because that's something that is long overdue, so we're gonna do that. So I'm just gonna make me a little bit of tea and go ahead and get my day started. I do like to use this Zest Tea Energy Tea, y'all. This is the shit. Okay, if you're not a coffee drinker, then this is perfect because it has like a lot of caffeine, like more than coffee. So I really love this tea. But I'm getting ready to make this real quick, and then, like I said, just get my day started.
Strawberries make everything sexy, yeah. Shadows dancing on the wall. I wanna rock with you. Let's converse. Talk with your body, don't say anything at all. Rock with you. Wanna rock with you. Wanna rock with you. Wanna rock with you. Rock with you. Wanna rock with you. Wanna rock with you. Wanna rock with you.
Y'all, he know I'm filming and they're having a whole conversation, but it's cool. So y'all, I just finished doing kind of all the cleaning I'm gonna do right now. So I'm just gonna take out what we're gonna have for dinner. So I think I'm just gonna do like fried chicken wings tonight. I thought about doing like tequila wings, but I ain't got no tequila, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm just gonna do like lemon pepper wings tonight because I really don't have time to go to the grocery store. So I think we'll just do that tonight. So I'm gonna take them out so they can defrost. And now we just gonna get to work because I definitely gotta get these PR packages out. So I just finished taking off my makeup and I filmed that PR stuff today, so I'm happy that I got that finished, y'all, because that was a task. Okay, that was a task, but I was very productive and I got shit done today, and that's most important. So a few of you all have asked me, and I figured I'd just go ahead. These are the mask gold petals that I'm referring to that I get from Amazon, y'all. I get them like the next day. Ooh, and super quick. So I took my makeup off already. I've already washed my face. So I'm getting ready to make those lemon pepper wings. So I'm just gonna put them under my eyes real quick, just because I know they puffy as hell right now. They giving sleepy. They giving real sleepy, but I still got a few other things I gotta do. I gotta work on a one of my ebooks. Oh shit, I gotta work on one of my ebooks and get that out. And then also I had some wholesale stuff that I needed to get done. So I'm just gonna throw these bad boys underneath my eyes, and just depending, sometimes I put them on at night, sometimes I put them on in the morning, just depending. But I feel like I need them like now, honey. I need them now. So I got those on. So like I said, I'm about to go in there and start making the lemon pepper wings. Forget that, we gonna start making the lemon pepper wings.
I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is a you're okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name, if no one else around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one else around.
just finished at going to the post office and pretty much getting everything scanned in. Y'all, shipping is crazy. Like, I forget where the camera is. It's crazy. Like, it took almost 2 weeks for some hair to come in and other packages, and I'm like, dang, it's only gonna get worse from here. Every time someone says, oh, you know, the pandemic, this shit is still real, okay? I can tell in my business it's still real, okay? So y'all, I am actually at Joann's right now because I want to go in and get some fabric. I have kind of like a mini photo shoot I want to do with a few of my products, so I want to go ahead and get some fabric. And then also I needed to pick up some thread, and y'all excuse my nails, I'm going to go to my appointment tomorrow, okay, because my nails looking cray. And I want to go to Kroger and pick up some crab legs. It's more like a jewel up north, but I want to go ahead and do like a crab boil at home. So y'all, long story short, I got a few places I want to go. So it's like 6:30. It's late as, actually it's 7 o'clock, so it's late as hell, but it's, or later in the evening. So I will go ahead and touch bases with y'all when I get in Joann's. So I done finally made it back home. I ended up going to Kroger and to Walmart, so I was gonna show y'all real quick what I picked up. So I did pick up the crab. This is what I was talking about as far as the crab. I did pick this up. I did get the 4-pound. I meant to get the 2-pound, but they didn't have any there, so I'll just freeze the other 2-pound. I did get the jumbo shrimp. I did get the super sweet corn, so this will be in the crab boil with this smoked sausage. I ended up getting 2 of those, and I got some potatoes already, so I didn't even have to worry about picking that up. I'm gonna make nachos night after next because I like to plan my meals, since y'all, you know, you be doing a lot when you girl bossing, okay? So I like to plan my little meals. So we're gonna do nachos / tacos for a few of those. So I got corn and flour, got my shredded lettuce, I got the butter for the crab boil, and I got the unsalted because I don't like it to just be too salty. Y'all, these Activia probiotic dailies are the okay? I mean, like, if you feel like you just need to take a little bit more probiotic, I'm sorry, or if you're not taking a probiotic, this is like perfect. This helps like all the way around your stomach, you know, lady thing, everything, honey. So this is just perfect. So I did get some milk chocolate hot cocoa because I kind of have to taste for it. It's that season, baby. I picked up some Ziploc bags. Picked up some more taco season ground turkey for the tacos. And then also I wanted to try this golden pound cake. I got it from Kroger, so I'll try it, see how it is, honey. But nonetheless, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this crab boil. Try to finish that ebook. Ugh, I really want to finish that ebook tonight, y'all. Y'all don't understand. It's just been bothering me because I know I need to get it done. So I'm gonna finish that ebook and then probably watch a little bit of How to Get Away with Murder, because I've been watching the whole freaking seasons, y'all. I'm binge watching right now. I've already watched the seasons, but I want to watch it again. But let me stop rambling on, y'all. We just gonna get right into this crab boil. stepped out to get a drink and grab something to eat. The lighting is poor. It's at night, y'all. Y'all know how we do. So,
Right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna feel this love. And everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Take it from the jump, baby, when you choose. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, when you touch the floor. I'll never get over it until I find something to get me high like you do. Yeah.
We don't need nobody watching us.